Hi, this is Munmun Datta. This is a first of a kind for me. I'm here with Pink Villa doing a Get Ready With Me section. So first thing first, let's move all of this hair away from our face. Cannot tolerate having hair on my face while doing makeup or skincare. That's the not so nice thing to do. Okay, so I am done with my skincare. Skincare is supposed to be done when you wash your face, when your skin is damp. Your serums and moisturizer is soaked into your skin much better. But still, आज मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे reapply करने वाली हूँ. Okay, I'm going to apply a little bit of this emulsion. Not much. I'm done with my skincare, as I said. So I have oily skin, but I still like to apply a lot of moisturizer. This is a common notion that जब आपकी oily skin होती है तो आपको moisturizer नहीं लगाना चाहिए. गलत बात है. आपको ढेर सारी moisturizer हमेशा लगाना चाहिए. Your skin is dehydrated and that's the reason it's getting more and more oily. Okay. So, I was planning to do a casual day out sort of a makeup. So generally when I step out, I don't wear foundation on a regular basis other than my work. I generally wear concealers, lip tint, little mascara, lip balm, and I'm done and sorted. But because we're doing a video and a makeup session here, let me show you different ways of wearing foundation. And मैं आज आपके सामने यहाँ पे foundation लगाने वाली हूँ. So I'm carrying few of them. I've been shooting a lot outdoors recently, so I feel I'm a little tanned right now. So I am going to wear the Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation, one of my favorite ones. But before that, let me apply a little bit of Wonder Glow. Now that we're doing it, let's go all out and do it. This is the very famous Charlotte Tilbury, one of her, initial products that she had launched. I was very lucky to have seen Charlotte Tilbury in Scotland once, and I was so starstruck because I'm a huge fan of her work. I'm a huge fan of all those international makeup artists' work, be it Lisa Eldridge, makeup by Mario, Hang Wango, Patrick Ta. Have learned a lot from them. So yeah. Okay, so we are done with the little bit of glow. Let's start with the foundation. Maybe I'm going to wear... So this is one of my very favorite foundation. This is a Giorgio Armani Lasting Silk, Lasting Silk UV foundation. I love this Pat McGrath also. For a daily use, I prefer this Shiseido foundation. This is very sheer. Love this. But today I'm going to use maybe the Laura Mercier one. Yeah, okay. So, very little is more than enough. Fingers. Always start from the middle of the face and blend it out. This is the Sigma brush. Start with little foundation and blend it out. Blending is the key to anything. A little goes a long way. Okay. I'm going to take a little bit of more foundation and apply it on my neck. This seems to have blended pretty well. I am going to use my damp beauty blender and also blend it out a little extra. This also soaks up any extra foundations if you have. Also, जो extra oil release हो रही है ऐसा लग रहा है, ये भी वो soak कर लेगा. So yeah. Okay, concealer time. Let's conceal whatever needs to be concealed. So I'm going to use the Sephora foundation. I'm not going to keep it very long. I'm going to keep this foundation, keep this video pretty short. I don't like really long talkative videos. So मैं खुद की जो video है उसको भी मैं short रखने वाली हूँ. There might be a little bit of abuses here and there because I get a little annoyed with myself. So please, Pink Villa, beep it out, okay? If you hear me say something. So a little bit of concealer here. Where else do I need? Okay, here. I'm gonna let it sit for a few seconds because when you let it sit for a few seconds, generally it becomes a little more high coverage. Somehow, I don't know how, but it does happen. Always blend it on your upper lid as well. I mean, I see a lot of makeup artists who don't do that. To each their own. I prefer concealer overall, like around my eyes. But I use very little concealer. Okay. Seems okay. I'm pretty fast with my makeup. अब तक इतने सालों में काफ़ी used to हो गई हूँ, काफ़ी expert हो गई हूँ इस matter पे. I'm going to use this Rare Beauty Liquid Blush. I'm not a big fan of this, being very honest. For some reason I feel कि ये उतना long lasting नहीं है और ना ही ये skin के साथ उतना I don't know, उतना बैठता नहीं है. For some reason, the moment you apply the beauty blender or like a sponge, ये remove हो जाता है. But still, I'm going to use it today. And let's see how does it go today. I've mixed it up with the Charlotte Tilbury one. So blush is something that you can build. Start with a little bit of an amount. I'm also going to apply little powder blush on this later on.
Okay, not bad.
So it gives you a nice glow. Blending with your finger needs another kind of talent, I think. I don't think you need brushes all the time. If you know how to blend it with your fingers, I think it's pretty much more than enough. So now I'm going to move towards powder. Now I see a lot of people not using powder, but the kind of climate that we're in, especially in Mumbai, it's like almost 500 degrees outside all the time and it's always humid. Powder is not your enemy. You are supposed to set your foundation with powder. Even if you have dry skin, and trust me, even if you set your face with powder, uske baad if you use a setting spray or maybe like a rose water or something like that, आपका face वैसे भी glowy हो जाता है. So don't really worry about powder, कि powder नहीं लगाना है, stuff like that. Also, one of my biggest pet peeve is when I see people using big brush and taking their powder and moving it all over their face, because your foundation is not supposed to be moved. So either you take your brush and pat it on your face, or you just use a makeup puff, which I always do. I've been doing it for years, and I always prefer using a makeup puff to set my face than a brush. So I'm going to use the Laura Mercier one here. This is a very good setting powder. So is this Hourglass one. इसकी अगर आपको ऑप्शंस चाहिए जो अफोर्डेबल है, आई थिंक Maybelline के Fit Me पाउडर्स काफ़ी अच्छे होते हैं. You don't have to necessarily get expensive things to do your makeup. Makeup can be done with any product as long as you know the art of makeup and as long as you know how to do makeup properly. That's what is important. You might just get the best of the foundation and best of your products and stuff like that. But also, if you do not have a good skincare regime, your makeup is not going to look good. So what is always important is you have a good skincare regime. That's what is most important. So let me wear the Laura Mercier one. So this is the one. Translucent loose setting powder. This is a very famous one used by a lot of international makeup artists, and I think abhi India mein bhi aa gaya hai, online portals mein ye sab aa gaya hai, and yeah. So I was speaking about powder, that powder is not your enemy, es muy importante. I'm a blush person, so I think I'm going to apply a little bit of more blush. And this is the Fenty Beauty. This is a very pretty color, like a bubblegum, pink color. मैं इसको थोड़ा सा और apply करके अपने आप को और pink करने वाली हूँ. I love this color. I love this bubblegum pink colors. It also suits my skin tone somehow. So, so I haven't done contouring. So on a daily basis, I won't do contouring. I only do contouring when I'm shooting under the light, vagara. That's the makeup is also a little more, heavier and different. But now that I'm here, I'm doing a makeup video. Let me do a little bit of contouring just for the sake of the video. So I'm going to use this Clinique one. इसके नाम भी चला गया है. पता नहीं इसका क्या नाम है, but this is the Clinique contour stick. So I'm going to use it very sparingly today, just for the sake of the video. Okay. On a daily basis, you don't really need all this. So, also, I'm not someone who's big on bronzing. Bronzing is not my thing. Contouring, yes, sure. I like to do my nose contour and all of that. And as I said, when I'm shooting, I do a little bit of contouring over here, but not much. But bronzing is not really my thing. I like my complexion the way it is. I prefer to make it make it more glowy with blushes and stuff like that, but bronzing is not really my thing. So I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring later on after I do my powder. So yeah. Okay, so it's been long that I've used my concealer, so I'm gonna apply a little tad bit more on my face, on my eyes, under my eyes, and I'm gonna set it immediately before it creases. Fingers, magical fingers, a little over here on the bridge of your nose to highlight. This much goes a long way. So now I'm gonna set it with the powder. So removing the excess here and tapping it. You can see the difference immediately. All the oil and everything has been, mattified. But there's also a little bit of glow. Good enough for me. Let's move on to eyes, right? Okay. Again, I won't do it every day other than my shoot. So I'm going to do it and show you a little bit of my routine, जो मैं normally करती हूँ. So this is the Huda palette, though I do repent buying this because all the shimmery ones, they have like really big sparkles. So whenever I apply it, after like 15 minutes or so, I see those sparkles all over my face. So I don't really use them. Okay, so I'm going to use the neutral colors over here. I'm going to take this one. मैं ये काफ़ी use करती हूँ. Okay, flat brush. flat brush for all over the lid. I'm going to apply a little bit of shimmer in the middle later on. And now we're going to cut our crease and make a different crease because I have hooded eyes, as I said. So it has to be a little darker than the one that we used over here. So I'm going to use, okay, this one. I'm going to mix a little bit of this too and apply it over here. Hello.
Okay.
Lovely. And I'm going to do a little bit of dark in the corners, this corner, the outer corners. I have some nonsensical thing here. Okay. I'm going to use a little darker shade, maybe this one. But this is a cool color, I think. I feel this is more cooler than the warm, but I can still make it happen. Make use of it. So yeah. Okay, a little bit on the corner, just to elongate your eyes. You see, it looks so good. Simple makeup, simple way of doing these things. A little extra. Okay. Right, you see the difference? Okay, I'm going to use this highlighter as my eyeshadow, the highlighting eyeshadow over here. So I would prefer using it a little wet with a wet brush. So, okay. ये मैं हमेशा करती हूँ ऐसे. When you dip your brush in a little bit of water or setting spray and use your eyeshadows, somehow it sticks good on your skin and it's long lasting, way long lasting than a normal powdery ones. So I'm going to use a little bit of this highlighter. And just in the middle. Right. I'm going to just blend it out with this brush again, so that there is no harsh edges. Okay, done. And let's just do the lower lash line with the pencil brush, with the smaller one. Okay, this one. I'm going to use the same color that I used on my crease, a mix of both the colors. And we're going to, mix the line with this one. We're going to attach this line to this one. So there is a effect, like a wholesome effect. If you always use eyeshadows on this part, this is the eye bags or whatever we call it. I think in Korean they call it something called agyosal, and it's a huge trend over there to highlight this part of their area, because somehow it makes them look they feel that it looks very cute, very feminine. So that's the Korean trend, Korean Japanese trend, I would say right now, which is a rage all over. So we have been doing it. I mean, I have been doing it for a long time, but I don't do it the way they do it. So I'm gonna mix this eyeshadow that I used on my crease and join the line over here. Okay. I'm gonna finish it off later on with a little bit of extra eyeshadow, or maybe I'll do it now. Big deal. So ये वाला जो मैंने यहाँ पे यूज़ किया था कॉर्नर में, I'm going to use it here very sparingly. Looks good. So now it's all, you know, connected. Okay. I'm very clumsy. I do end up breaking a lot of stuff every day. I'm very clumsy. Yes. मेरी जो हेयर टाई है शूट पे, वो मुझे रोज़ ये बोलती है, ओह हो कुछ गिर गया, चलो अभी दिन की शुरुआत हो गई. जिस दिन कुछ नहीं गिरा, शी वेट्स एंड सीज कि हाँ कुछ तो अभी तक गिरा नहीं, अब तो कुछ होने वाला है. बट आई एम वेरी क्लम्जी अदरवाइज. सो दिस वॉज वेरी स्मॉल, वेरी लिटिल एग्जाम्पल. अभी क्या है? अभी है आईब्रोज. ओके. So good thing about doing my eyebrows is I have done the powder brows. My friend is an esthetician, so we have done powder brow on myself, and I think ये हमेशा काफ़ी लगता है कि it's done up, so it just looks very good. This is a very good makeup palette that I used to use before, Too Faced का, but अभी ये हो गया ख़त्म. But I use this brown color from here as my eyebrow filler. So, okay, where is this? Hey Bhagwan. Exactly when you want something, you won't find it. Okay, ठीक है, I found it. ठीक है. Again, this is something that I do. I dip my brush, even for eyebrows, I sometimes dip my brush in water and I apply it. It also makes it look more darker, and it's long stay. लॉन्ग स्टे इसके लिए मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ बिकॉज जनरली जब मैं मेकअप करती हूँ, मैं शूट के लिए करती हूँ, एंड वी हैव अ 12 आवर्स शिफ्ट. वी शूट आउटडोर्स अ लॉट अंडर द सन. अभी भी हम लोग कल भी कुछ शूट करके आए. दही हंडी का शूट चल रहा था, और फिर अभी गणपति का शूट शुरू होने वाला है. सो इट्स बैक टू बैक बहुत होता है. सो वी देयर आर टाइम्स हम दिन में आधा दिन करते हैं, देन वी मूव इनटू द इंडोर्स. सो दिन का ही जो मेकअप है वो आपको रात तक सस्टेन करना है. सो आई हैव लर्न दिस ट्रिक्स ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ ऑल दिस ईयर्स. और मैंने ये देखा है दैट व्हेन यू वेट योर ब्रश एंड इवन इफ यू अप्लाई इट ऑन योर आईब्रोज, it stays for a longer period of time. So these are little tricks that you can learn. आप use करोगे खुद तो आपको पता चलेगा. So yeah, I'm going to use this. As I said, I won't need much, but I'm going to do this brown color. Brown is more softer than black. So nice. Done. I'm going to just blend it out a bit. Okay. Now that I've done my eyebrows, I'm going to get back to my eyes and do a little bit of liner. Because जब तक eyebrows मैं नहीं करती तब तक मैं liner generally नहीं करती, because I want to see overall how is it looking. Because if it gets too dark, then maybe I would have left the liner out, but I think it looks pretty equal and symmetrical. So I'm going to use this maroon color, and again in a little bit of water, and I'm going to use it on my... Okay, I have lash extensions, so that's the best part. So I'm going to use this sparingly over here. Just a light, wash of color. And I have been doing wing eyeliner for years now. I think मैं school से मैंने करना शुरू किया. Since my childhood, I've been very, very, interested in skincare and makeup. So I see a lot of people say that, they learned about makeup or they got interested in makeup because they came in this industry. I think I learned makeup because I wanted to do makeup. And I have been a skincare geek for the longest time. जब मैं I think 5th standard में थी, मुझे तब से याद है that I have been into skincare. Durgapur में, Calcutta से आगे Durgapur, that's my hometown. When I was growing up over there, we used to get this supplement every week in the newspaper. That's called Chotushpurni. So I used to always look forward to the Saturday newspaper because Saturday को उस newspaper में skin care tips लिखा हुआ होता था. And तो the moment I would see these things तो मुझे ऐसा था, oh shit, ये सब है तो चलो मुझे भी कुछ करना है. So बेसन के साथ उपटान कैसे use करते हैं, क्या करते हैं. So I've learned all those things since my childhood. So it's not like I learned it today. And tried and tested methods के साथ मैंने सीखा है सब कुछ. And I still very religiously do my skincare. And even if I'm back home after a night shoot, 6 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock at night in the morning, whatever, I would always wash my face and do my skincare and then sleep. Washing my face, तो उसके लिए तो कोई आपका वो ही नहीं है. There is no other way. You have to wash your face. But a lot of time I hear my colleagues saying, I just wash my face and I go off to sleep. No, I'll still make it a point. My mom always says this. I'll still make it a point to sit, take my serums, apply it on my face, and then go off to sleep. I will never compromise on my skincare. So yes, so all kind of makeups you can use, but your skincare has to be the most important thing. Always stick to a good skincare routine. That's the only tip that I would always give everyone. Let's get back to this eyeliner. I'm going to put a little wash of color here, a little over here, and wing it out. Okay, wing it out. I'm going to apply a little bit of more darker color in the end. Okay. So there's a cream shadow over here, which is the black one. So I'm going to take a little bit of that cream shadow and do the wing. So winging my eyeliner is my thing. So if I can say that what is your most favorite thing to do in your makeup, I would say winged eyeliner. And I think in South Asian faces, Arabic faces, I think we look good with, winged eyeliner. Okay, थोड़ा ज़्यादा ना लंबा हो गया हो, हम बाद में इसको sort out कर लेंगे. Okay, so now I'm going to apply, first I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara, and then we'll see what can be done with the eyes. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to use our Maybelline Sasta Tikau or Acha. Unfortunately, I don't have the mascara that I use for my lower lash. That's the MAC mascara. The lower lash ones have, those smaller and the thinner ones. That's better to use it for your lower lash. But in सब में काफ़ी मोटा है, but I'm going to make use of it today and make it happen, work it out. Okay. I have long lashes, lower lid में, but the problem is the other day, so I have lash extensions, and the other day there was this one lash जो यहाँ से बार-बार नीचे आ रहा था, and I got so irritated that I took a scissor and I tried to cut. So उसको काटते हुए मैंने मेरे नीचे के जो 4 lower lashes है उसको भी काट दिया है. So now I'm stuck with 4 small minuscule lashes over here, and then the rest of them are the longer ones. So yeah, it looks funny, but okay, I make it work. Doesn't matter. I hope it's gonna grow back. Yeah. So you can see this. So I'm gonna use the waterproof one just today. I'm not going to use any mascara on my upper lashes because I have lash extensions, and the extensions are going to get spoiled. But हम कर सकते हैं थोड़ा सा आज वीडियो के लिए हल्का सा. I'm going to remove the extra mascara from here. Okay. I'm going to use this one. Easy wash, because I can't use any waterproof mascaras on my lashes in case I want to use mascara ever, because then I have to apply a lot of oil cleanser, and then if I use oil cleanser, all my lashes are going to fall off, as in the extra the lash extensions. So I have to use the not waterproof one. So I'm going to use a little bit over here, not much. I need to get my lashes filled up again. But having lash extensions are one of the most convenient things that I've started doing recently. It's been a year now almost, or maybe 7 months or 8 months, or maybe a year, yes, that I've started getting lash extensions. And it helps me so much during my shoot. वो strip lashes हमारे निकल जाते थे हमेशा, and so yeah, so I prefer having lash extensions. Right, I love white pencil for your, inner lining. So I'm going to use this white pencil. White pencil, nude pencil generally makes your eye look, a little bigger. I don't like to use kajal or any kind of pencils inside my eyes. So I prefer using either a nude pencil or like a white pencil to make it look a little wider. It's a very Bengali thing, I think. So yeah. Proud Bengali. Okay. ठीक है, मेरी आँखें काफ़ी बड़ी हो गई, हम बाद में ओवरऑल बाद में देखने वाले हैं. Moving on to first a little bit of nose contour. Where is it? Okay. So this is the very famous, Hoola, Benefit, blah, blah, blah. A lot of these people, everybody uses this, I believe. So ये काफ़ी पुराना है, but मैं ज़्यादा, contour use नहीं करती. That's the reason मेरे अभी तक काफ़ी सारा है. So I'm going to use this on my nose and make it a little more sharper. So when I was growing up, for some reason, I used to be a little insecure about my nose. At that point of time, I felt that, oh, it's wide, it should not be like this, and blah, blah, blah. Then there was a senior girl in my school. जब मैं, I think, 9th standard में थी, तो 11th standard की किसी लड़की ने मुझे एक बार बोला था, yeah, your nose looks very cute. Suddenly उसने मुझे बोला, I was like, huh? Really? And then I said, अच्छा, ऐसा है क्या? And then when I came to Bombay, a couple of times people would be like, your nose is very cute. So then I thought, अच्छा हाँ हो सकता है, because now when I see, I think अभी small nose का काफ़ी trend है, and ये thankfully natural है. So now I have accepted all these things. When you're growing up, you always have this little insecurities about everything. Your nose is not right, your eyes are not right, your skin is not good, your hair is not good, blah, blah, blah. But, the good part about growing up is, you grow wiser with age, and that's how it has happened with me as well. I have accepted all the flaws on my face and my body. I try to make it look better somehow, and makeup is always there to make it, कोई भी कुछ भी flaws अगर आपके अंदर है, तो makeup is always there to help you hide that flaw, जो भी है, if you feel there is a flaw. And I also feel that little imperfections make you look nicer, more human, I think, yeah. So that's it. This little bit of contour over here, and I'm sorted with my nose contouring. Let's move on to some blush. अच्छा ये मैंने यूज़ ही नहीं किया. Okay. ठीक है. चीज़ें तो मैं इतना भर के लाई हूँ जैसे कि पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है 10 लोगों का मेकअप. So I'm going to use, तो मैं जनरली ना सारी चीज़ें मेरे पैकेट में ही रखती हूँ, तो ऐसा नहीं कि ये नए हैं, मतलब नए हैं, बट 10 साल पुराना भी होगा तो मुझे पैकेट में ही मिलेगा, because I like to keep things in packets. So this is Hourglass. A very good alternative for Hourglass is, I think, Maybelline का एक Fit Me ये आता है, blush आता है. You can always use that. This is a lovely color. कहाँ है? Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit of blush on this part of my face. So generally on a normally जो daily basis में है, I like to do blushes over here. It makes your face look a little rounder and pinkish. It's cute. It's just a very cute look. So. I am a blush person, I would say. I love blushes. मैं ढेर सारा blushes लगाती हूँ. I like to make my face pretty pink. So I'm going to get back to my blush again maybe after some time when I'm done with my lipstick. Little here. ये मैंने बहुत recently सीखा है. This whole tan look and all that. It looks cute. A little bit of blush on your nose. Okay, so see, so when you smile, you have this little pinky blush on your cheeks. Makes you look cute. I hope so. खुद को ही cute बोल रही हूँ तब से. Okay, let's blend it out a little. Okay, I'm pretty happy. I can do better, but I'm still very happy as of now. Okay, getting back to lipstick. I always overline my lips, but not the whole lip. This part and this part. This I've learned from some, makeup artist. Okay, I'm gonna remove this whitish part. I used my lip scrub and a lot of lip serum. I'm huge on lip balm. Like, I need to have lip balm all the time. My lips cannot be dry. So I'm just wiping it off, but I had a lot of lip balm and I'm gonna reapply my lip balm before I apply my lipstick. That makes the lipstick stay very long. So I am going to, okay. I keep doing this and blending it. So I'm going to apply my lip pencil. This is Inglot. इसका भी नाम चला गया है. This is from Inglot. I love this color. This is a very nice pink color. तो ये generally हर एक इसके साथ चला जाता है. Lips जो भी lipstick है उसके साथ चला जाता है. And I stick to few shades of lipstick which I know looks good on me. वेरी रेयर ऐसा होता है कि जहाँ पे मैं बहुत ही अलग तरह की ब्लू और ग्रीन कभी लिपस्टिक डाला हो. ज़्यादातर नहीं करती हूँ मैं वैसा, बट या सो दिस इज़ द लिप लाइनर दैट आई यूज़ ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. इवन ऑन माई शूट आई यूज़ दिस. सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ लिप लाइनर ओवर हियर, overlining a little over here. So it already makes it look very, perky. And then draw the line inside on your original lip line. If you overdraw it over here, then it looks droopy. So you do the contour over here. I would generally have done it with a little browner shade also, but I don't think I'm carrying it today, but let me see, I can do something about it. So I'm gonna drag this down. Okay, so the lip liner is done. You see, I love this color. Now, time for firstly some lip balm. Where is my lip balm? Where is my lip balm? Okay, where is it gone? Okay, I can't find the one that I just got. I generally use the Laneige, the big huge one, the sleep mask, what you call it. I did get it, but I can't find it over here. So I'm going to use another one that I had. This is a Forest Essential. I love Forest Essential, by the way. So this is a Forest Essential lip balm. Try this trick when you apply your lip balm. When you apply your lipstick, use a little bit of lip balm before that. Rather than wiping the lip balm off, apply a little bit of lip balm. Especially if you're using a liquid lipstick, which becomes dry later on. My lipstick stays on for a very long time, and I think it's because of this. Also because I can't stand dry lips, so I always have to use a lot of lip balm. So मैं ये lip balm लगाती हूँ and then I get into my lipstick. So I forgot one of my very favorite lipstick that I use most of the time during this look, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Sexy Sienna. That's a nice peachy nude color. But I have a different one today, and this is also Charlotte Tilbury, and what is it called? Carina Star. Okay. So I'm going to use this one right now. I'm going to mix maybe a couple of them. This is a nice color. I like it. I like these nude colors that I have from Charlotte Tilbury. I actually absolutely love Charlotte Tilbury's products. I was so excited to see her in Scotland, and I remember it was the first day that I had landed, and I travel all over the world by myself, by the way. I'm a solo traveler, and so I landed in Scotland one fine evening, and I was roaming around in the streets of Glasgow, and there was this huge mall over there. And मैं कभी भी बाहर जाती थी ना, अभी तो इंडिया में ये सब आने लगा है, but मैं जब पहले बाहर घूमने जाती थी, I used to get all these, products from abroad, because अब इंडिया में ज़्यादा products मिलते नहीं थे. अभी तो I think because of these online portals, you have started getting a lot of these, international brands over here. So during that time, during all my travels, I used to get all these brilliant products from all over. So all these Charlotte Tilbury products, I remember I got this from Scotland, from London, and I would get so starstruck going inside the Charlotte Tilbury, stores. So I remember, I was walking down the streets in Glasgow, and I was passing from this street, and there was this huge mall, and I suddenly see a lot of, hula loo over there, and a lot of, security and blah, blah, blah. So मैं बाहर, मुझे याद है मैं कांच के बाहर खड़ी थी, and I was like, क्या चल रहा है अंदर मैं देखूँ? So I saw this huge board. And someone said, oh, Charlotte Tilbury is here. And I did get a glimpse of her. She was launching some of her products that day in Glasgow. So she was there because of that. And I was so happy to see her, get a glimpse of her from afar. And so that was one very fond memory of me while traveling. I got to see one of my favorite, makeup gurus. So yeah. So, okay. Done with this. This MAC one called Vegas Volt. A lot of my friends know that this used to be a very, very favorite lipstick of mine. I'm going to use a little bit over here. Zyada difference nahi hai, but it's making it more orangish. Okay. And one more thing that I'm going to do now is, okay. I'm going to use a darker color of lipstick and put it over here in the inside rim of the lip. It makes it look very plumpy, very cutesy, very demure. No, not demure and cutesy, but it's cute, yeah. So I'm going to use this purplish pink color. You do this. See, there is a little bit of difference, I'm going to use a little bit more. Okay. And you press your lips and it blends. Okay. I think it's done. So it looks good and plumpy. I'm going to use a lip balm on top of that. So I'm almost done. So I'm going to do a little, what do you say? A highlighter. I can do a powder highlighter, maybe. Do I need fixing spray today? No, I don't. So I use this MAC one, the very old one. I also use a Makeup Forever. A very affordable one would be from Faces, from Color Bar. They're very affordable ones and does the job. Generally, yeah. Okay, I'm going to use this Laneige lip balm as a lip gloss. It does both the work. It makes it look glossy, plus it's long staying and it's hydrating for your lips. You see, it instantly changes your look somehow. Glossy lips. Glossy lips. No, no, no. Okay, I'm singing. Sorry. Okay, I'm done almost. I'm gonna do a little bit of touch of highlighter. I hope this is not a long video. I hate long makeup videos, but I've done enough makeup for you to sustain and see the whole video. Okay, little touch. This is the highlighter, the MAC highlighter. I also have the Charlotte Tilbury one. काफी पुराना हो गया ये. Film Star Bronze and Glow. So this has a contour and this highlighter, which was fantastic. Okay, so and I am going to blend it out with a bigger brush and a little extra the blush, a little more of the blush, just so there's no harsh line. Everything blended looks the best. And also too much highlighter, no, a big no for me actually. I hear a lot of people say, oh, there's nothing called too much highlighter. I think there is something called too much highlighter. No, light bulb lagte hai. I think everything subtle looks nicer. So I'm almost done. Let me see if I want to do any little bit of touch up. I'm going to highlight my natural til. I call it my Cindy Crawford til. Natural hai bhai. Okay, lovely. Okay, I'm going to apply this liquid liner right over here, and I am going to draw a little bit of, I'm going to draw some lashes with this, but very small ones, very small stroke. You can also do it with a brown one, but I think my brown आज लाई नहीं हूँ. Very small ones, barely you can see this. So right at the roots of my lashes, I'm just putting a little bit of dots. Okay, I'm going to finalize my look with a little bit of powder. Okay, just clearing it up. Just removing all the shine. And I'm going to use a little extra of that white eyeliner. And then I think I'm done. Good. I could use a little bit of more mascara, but it's okay. I think I'm okay because I don't have my the small wand mascara, because if I use this one, somehow it's just going to transfer it on my lower lid. So I think I'm okay. I'm going to use my sponge and blend it all together. Soak up the extra oil and the shine. And I am done. Let me remove my hairband and show you the final look. So this is the final look. I've removed my hairband and everything, and this is the look which I would do normally if I'm going out for a meeting, or maybe sometimes when I'm going for an event and all that. So I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you get to learn something from the video. And if you do like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel Pink Villa.